Welcome to Best Choice. The Best High Temp Glue is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools you can have in your DIY arsenal, capable of bonding materials that standard adhesives simply can't handle, making it perfect for everything from crafting and repairs to more demanding industrial applications where extreme temperatures are a factor. Number 5. Precise Control Super Glue Pro Kit 120 gram. Experience unparalleled control with our advanced formula. Its syrup-like viscosity allows for steady application, ensuring it goes exactly where you need it, minimizing mess. Don't rush your repairs. You have a generous window to align parts perfectly before it sets, giving you the confidence to achieve flawless results every time. This comprehensive kit includes everything for optimal use. From anti-clog caps and precision tips to protective gloves and sanding papers, we've got you covered. Rely on its exceptional tensile strength for repairs that endure. It forms a robust bond capable of withstanding pressure, vibration, and everyday use. Whether it's delicate crafts, 3D prints, ceramics, or plastics, this glue provides a strong, clean bond for a wide range of materials. Restore your items with confidence. Enjoy peace of mind with our 24-month freshness warranty. Store it properly, and it will remain effective for up to 2 years, ensuring reliability for your projects. What we like. If you need a glue that gives you ample time to adjust your project, this is the one. Its syrup-like viscosity and repositioning window are perfect for intricate crafts and 3D prints. If you're a hobbyist who values precision and the ability to correct mistakes, you should consider this. What people say. This glue is excellent for high-temperature applications, holding strong even when heated. The glue dries clear and forms a durable bond that withstands significant stress. It's perfect for crafts and repairs that require a heat-resistant adhesive. Number 4. Krightlink Hot Glue Gun Kit. Get started quickly with our hot glue gun. It heats up in just 1 minute, thanks to its advanced PTC ceramic heating system. You'll be ready to create in no time. Experience mess-free crafting with its precision nozzle. It's designed to prevent drips and allow for accurate glue application. Simply press the trigger for continuous flow. Enjoy comfortable use with its ergonomic handle. This tool is compact and lightweight, making it easy to handle for extended crafting sessions. A foldable stand keeps it ready for use. This glue dries fast and holds strong, perfect for various materials like wood, metal, paper, and plastic. It's your go-to adhesive for school projects, DIY crafts, and quick home repairs. This kit includes everything you need to get started, the hot glue gun and 30 mini glue sticks. It's perfect for all your creative and repair needs. For your safety, please avoid touching the nozzle during and after use. Always hold the handle to prevent burns. What we like. For quick fixes and creative projects, this option heats up in just a minute. Its anti-drip nozzle ensures clean application, making it ideal for school crafts and home repairs. If you're looking for a user-friendly and efficient hot glue gun for everyday tasks, you should consider this. What people say. This glue is amazing for high-temperature applications. It holds strong even when exposed to extreme heat. The glue dries clear and is very durable. Number 3. JB Weld High Heat Epoxy Syringe. Discover the ultimate solution for tough repairs. This advanced epoxy is designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it perfect for demanding jobs. Experience repairs that last, even in scorching conditions. It provides strong, lasting, heat-resistant fixes up to an incredible 550 degrees Fahrenheit. Achieve a permanent bond with impressive strength. Its 4,730 psi strength ensures your repairs will hold firm against pressure and stress. Don't worry about exposure to harsh substances. This formula is resistant to chemicals and fuel, ensuring durability in various environments. Get your projects back on track quickly. It sets in just 1 hour at room temperature and fully cures in 24 hours, or even faster with heat. Need it done even faster? Apply heat, and it can cure in as little as 1 hour at 250 degrees Fahrenheit, saving you valuable time. What we like. When your repairs need to withstand extreme heat and harsh chemicals, this epoxy is your go-to. It forms a permanent, strong bond that cures quickly, even when accelerated by heat. If you're dealing with engine parts, exhaust systems, or other high-temperature applications, you should consider this. What people say. This glue is great for high-temperature applications. It holds up well under extreme heat. The glue dries clear and is very strong. Number 2. Silco RTV 6500 High Temperature Silicone Adhesive. Introducing the Silco RTV 6500, a high-performance silicone adhesive designed to withstand extreme temperatures. It offers exceptional durability in demanding environments. This powerful adhesive provides a strong, reliable bond for various applications. Its advanced formula ensures long-lasting adhesion even under stress. Engineered to resist temperatures as high as 650 degrees Fahrenheit. It maintains its integrity and performance in scorching conditions. Available in a vibrant red color, this 2.8 FLS tube is easy to handle and apply. It's perfect for sealing and bonding tasks requiring a high-temperature solution. Trust in the Silbond technology for your critical projects. It delivers the quality and performance you expect from Silco Incorporated. What we like. For applications that demand the highest temperature resistance, this silicone adhesive is unmatched. It forms a flexible yet durable bond capable of withstanding extreme heat. If you need a reliable sealant or adhesive for high-temperature industrial or automotive needs, you should consider this. What people say. This glue is perfect for high-temperature applications, holding strong even when heated. The glue dries clear and creates a durable bond that withstands extreme temperatures. Excellent adhesion on various materials, making it versatile for projects exposed to heat. Number 1. MotorPower Care 2X Power Bond Glue. Introducing a revolutionary adhesive designed for extreme conditions. It creates an incredibly strong bond on a variety of surfaces, ensuring your repairs are built to last. This powerful formula is engineered to endure scorching temperatures, reaching up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit. It's the perfect solution for high-heat applications and even welding projects. From steel and aluminum to wood and concrete, this versatile adhesive adheres to a wide array of materials. It's your go-to for any repair challenge. With a simple 2-part mix, you can achieve a strong bond in just 5 minutes. Get your projects done efficiently with this user-friendly epoxy. Once cured, this adhesive stands up to chemicals, moisture, and vibrations. Enjoy long-lasting, reliable repairs that withstand the test of time. What we like. This heavy-duty epoxy is engineered for robust repairs on metal, plastics, and ceramics that face high temperatures. Its fast-curing, 2-part formula makes application straightforward for demanding projects. If you're looking for a durable, heat-resistant adhesive for automotive or industrial repairs, you should consider this. What people say. The glue is very strong and holds up well under high temperatures. It dries clear and doesn't leave any visible residue, which is great for crafts. Easy to apply and sets quickly, making it convenient for various projects. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.